Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today is gonna be a special tutorial because I have hit 600 subscribers. So last time I have mentioned that once I hit 600 subscribers, I'm gonna show you how I built this Nike Air Jordan in the Lakers color. So it's like the yellow and the purple. So this box, it fits this one perfect. I got it from Daiso, like $1.50. So looks really cool in this. So I want to start off thanking everyone for following me and subscribing my channel, watching my video and tutorials, and a lot of you have been following me on Instagram as well, and always like tagging me and sharing my content. So I want to say thank you so much for all your support and love for my channel. I'm gonna continue making more tutorial and sharing cute stuff with you guys. If you're new to my channel, I hope you're considering subscribing my channel because there's tons of tutorial and cool stuff to build just with Perler Beads. And also I'm trying to post a new tutorial every week, which I'm doing right now. So you don't want to miss out anything that's coming up. And if you're new here or you've been here for a while, you notice that most of my tutorial are focusing on like 3D perlers, so using Perler Beads to build pieces and put them together. And then like I try to use the glue as little as possible, so just make it fun, like a Lego puzzle type of like creation. So to me, building 3D perler is so much fun. I think this is the most important part because it takes a lot of time and patience. If you notice, if you have done any, we have to put the beads together, we have to follow the pattern, and then we have to eye on it, and then we have so many pieces and we have to put it together. But I really enjoy every single part of it. So I hope you do the same and will continue building with me. So a lot of time I get asked like, how you should eye on the bead, like how long it should take. I generally say like low heat, and also like you have to kind of get it like experience by experience. But if you want to know more, I'm gonna like put a link here to go to my 3D Perler 101 so you can learn a little bit more about it. I also have exciting news to share. So lately I launched my website as candyperlerfairy.com. So in there you just get to, it's like a blog website. So I put my pattern, my tutorial link in there, so it's gonna be all in one place. So like Among Us, in there you can see the Among Us pattern, and then also the link to each tutorial videos that I have. So it's gonna be all in one place, so feel free to go check it out. But it's still developing, so I'm still working on it, so it might be only like few pages, but keep checking and you'll find more stuff. All right, so let's come back to this. I really like it in here, but let's check it out. So I found this pattern on Pinterest. So the original pattern is like the red color and the blue color, so it's like two different color. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, I want to make the liquor colors, right? So this is the pattern that I modify it. So credit to the original pattern. If you want it, you can look it up on Pinterest. It's really cool. It's a little bit challenging when you build it because there's so many pieces, and building like the main part is the most essential. After you build the main part, everything comes together. It's very balanced, on both sides. So it won't take you too long. I did a video before. It took me about like 7 minutes to build it, but since I'm going to show it to you, it's going to take a little bit longer. This one I built it with the regular 5mm bead, so it will look this big, like as big as my hand. And then I built like with the mini one before. If you've seen it on my Instagram or my previous post, it looks really cute. So it's up to you. Maybe it's easier to build it like this, and then or you can build a mini one. All right, so let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started. So we're gonna build the center of the shoes first. Alright, so we're gonna start with this half of the pieces. So let's go with this first, and then we're gonna go insert this one. So yellow goes under, okay, and then this one has the 4 beads, go from the bottom to top, just like so. And then this one, yellow goes under. And then this one simply just right here. So, all right, looking good. And then we're gonna add this piece onto the top. So insert it this way. All right, so now we're gonna count the beads. So this one, let me see. This one looks good. It's gonna stay flat. And then this one is gonna be 1 bead. And then this one's gonna be 2 beads. And then this one's gonna be 3 beads popping up. So it's gonna look like this, okay? And then let's move on. So we're gonna start with this piece onto the top. So right here, insert it right here. Looking good. And then we're gonna insert this one next. Just like so. All right, looking good, right? And then let's pop onto this one right here. Okay, and then we're gonna add the back piece right here. All right, looks like we're forming this already. So this piece will go under. At any time if I'm going too fast, you feel free to go back and then work on your own pace. All right. So try to find the side that, you know, is more close to the project. So to leaving a smaller gap, as smaller as possible. See, this way is better. And this one coming to the top. All right, so we got this first part. All right, let's add on. So we have these pieces for the back. Okay, so let's come in to add this piece first. So right here, pop onto the top. A little bit challenging. Take your time. We got it. Okay. All right, so let's add on to this piece as well. Yay! All right, let's add more pieces. All right, so I got a few more pieces ready here. Okay, so this one is gonna pop onto the back, and then let's insert the center. So this one is gonna come first, right here. All right, and then this one is gonna come to the top piece. All right, so this one will be the front piece. So you see I can have 2 options. So you can go a lower option, or you can pop it up so it looks higher. Okay, all right, let's come into the bottom. So we're gonna go with this piece first. So the long one towards to the front. So let's insert it carefully. Take your time, no rush, otherwise, you know, it's easy to break the pieces. Yep. Actually, I like the other side better. It's like the way it's falling apart. Okay. So, I like this way better. It feels more like staple and tight. Yes, looking good. Okay, so this one, we're coming to the bottom. This way looks good as well. All right, so let's move on to the back. All right, so let's move on to the back. So this one, you can see, we're gonna insert this one just like this. Yep, all right. So this one will follow. So place it onto the top. And let's add the connector. So this is gonna be the connector for the first one. Right here, just like so. All right, so then this one will add on to right here. Looking good. And then we're gonna use this connector right here. And then we're gonna use the black connector right here. All right, one more piece to pop onto the back. All right, we're looking good. Let's finish to the sides. All right, so let's get started. So this is gonna be the inner piece to go in first. All right, so let's go into one side and take your time, take it slow, and then pop onto the top. I love to hear those clicking sound. It's like I'm making my own Lego. All right, so this piece looks good, and then this one is gonna follow. All right, so following this piece. Yay, looking good. All right, so and then this piece is gonna go right here, and then this piece is gonna go to the top. All right, so finish it with this piece. All right, so this one is gonna go like, oops, this. Is that correct? I think so. All right, let's do it on the other side as well. All right, so let's finish the other side. So the one that with the purple goes in first. Sometimes you just have to move the bead a little bit. That's why I get my nails. Okay, so this one goes second. Okay, looking good. Oops, that one's falling apart. We can put it back later. So this is the connector. And we have the other connector. Okay, and then place this one onto the top. Yay! Alright, so let's put these two back. So like this. And we'll wait until the bottom. Alright, let's work on the bottom first. Yay! So I'm beyond exciting. We're almost done here. Alright, let's work on the fun part. Right here, let's insert this piece. Yay! Just like so. And then this is gonna be the second piece. Right here. And then I think we're gonna pop this on first. So, yay, looking good. And then we're gonna insert this one. Oh my god, we're almost done. And then this piece right here. And then let's finish the side. Looks like it should be like this. Yep. And then the other side should be like this. Did I get it right? Yay! Alright, that looks just perfect. Alright, by the way, I think this piece should be the other way. Okay. Yay! So sometimes I put the wrong way, but you know, that's okay. You know, you might. So you can see this part, you can move it down or move it up. It's up to you. So you can adjust it or make another piece however you like. The reason I make it lower is because I can fit into the box I showed you earlier, the one from Daiso, because when it's higher it didn't fit. When it's lower it fits perfect. So I just keep it this way. It looks really cool. Yep, so this is one of my favorite pieces. The mini one looks extremely like super cool. You can make a pair, you know, it looks really good. So I hope you really enjoyed the video and make one yourself and maybe tag me so I can see how your looks like. Alright, so my next goal is gonna be 1,000 subscribers, and I hope you will serve my content so more people can make things that they enjoy, they like. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!